Hello out there YouTube friends, I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. It is a Stitch Fix day. Alright, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will give you a quick rundown and I will have a description in the description box as well as a referral code. So $20 styling fee, they will style you and curate items just for you based on your style profile. You get 5 items. You get a return mailer. What you don't want to keep, you send back in that return mailer. Shipping is free both ways. You will also get a style card as well as an invoice. You will get a bundle. It will look a little something like this. Mine is currently falling apart, but look how pretty that is. You will get a bundle, try them on. You usually have 5 days. I think it's 5 days. I usually have to get an extension because I usually can't get the try on done in 5 days. And it's easy to extend that timeline. It may be 3 days now that I think about it. It's easy to extend that timeline. They're not real strict about it. You just have to get on the app, extend the timeline. Stitch Fix also has Stitch Fix Freestyle now, which is you can order things directly from the app or from the website. Items are curated for you based again on your style profile. So you don't have to wait on a box. You can order right offline if that's what you choose to do. So this is what your return mailer looks like. I am not seeing my invoice and such. So oh, there it is. So you'll get a little envelope like this. You will have your invoice that looks like this. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% off discount, which is fabulous, which I have never done before. I've never had a 5 for 5. So someday I'm hoping that I will. The style cards are very helpful. You will also have a style note from your stylist that looks like this. I really enjoy the style cards. I like what their ideas look like for styling. So I'm really excited about this bundle here. I did pick all of these items. They do send you a preview of 10 items. You can choose up to 5 of those items for them to send to you. If you don't choose all 5 from the 10 items, then they will curate something to fill the box with at least 5 items. So let's get right to seeing what we have. All right, so I do have a brand new stylist this time. I did have Shelby for a little while. Last fix, it didn't really say who it was, so it may have just been computer generated. I don't know. But this time I have Savannah, so she's brand new, and she did send me the 10 items. I did choose the 5, so I'm really excited. So we have this really pretty floral purple top, which would be great for work. It is a short sleeve. It does have a little tie here in the front at the neckline. So very cute, very pretty. I love that color. And then we have some darker colors here. And again, I did choose these items. I really am in the need for a cute little cami. So I was excited that this was in my fix. So I just thought the lace was very pretty. It feels very comfortable and casual. Well, you could wear it casually or you could wear it dressed up. Anyway, I just needed a really cute black cami that had a little bit of interest here at the neckline. Then we have a pair of black jeans. I do not have a pair of black jeans, so these are definitely an option. This is an ankle skinny, and they are by 1822 Denim. So they look like they do not have any distressing. They do look like they are going to hold some lint, however. So I know black jeans are going to be they're just going to do that. So they don't really feel like much of it, like a denim, like 100% denim material. They've got to be made of something else. Let me see. These are 75% cotton, algodon, 24% polyester, 1% spandex. So they are more of a jean look, but not a jean feel. Let's go with that. And then we have a cute little skirt. I was really excited about this. I thought this would look cute with the cami, and then I do have a jacket in here. So it is a pencil skirt, and I'm assuming it will hit me right above the knee. I thought that was cute. And then we have a really cute Moto jacket in black. Nice. So again, I thought that this was kind of going to be that soft material. If you missed my, I don't know, it might have been a fix or two ago, I had a green collared Moto jacket in there that I regret sending back. This one is from Liverpool, so it's a little bit different material. I was hoping for something a little softer than what this is. This is a Power Flex, and again, it looks like it is going to attract lint and that sort of thing. But we'll try it on, see how it goes. I am in need of some sort of black, lighter weight jacket to complement some outfits. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back with the try on. Okay, here we are with the first two pieces. So let me first apologize. I am working on my room here. There is going to be some echoing. I don't have as many items in here. And as you can see, I have been doing some patching, and there is taping across the top and the bottom. I am going to do some painting and do a little decorating down here, so hopefully it'll be a little more pleasing to the eye when you watch my videos. So the first two items, love the Cami, very, very pretty. The fit is great. It does have this beautiful lace here at the neckline. The straps are adjustable. It does crisscross in the back. I'll turn around and let you see that in just a minute. So I really, really like the Cami. Let me get a little closer and I'll do a turnaround. So I would wear this with like blazers, or I would wear with cardigans, anything like that. I think that this looks good with the skirt as well. I think that it would look cute with a black blazer with some knee-high boots or some booties. So I kind of like it. The straps are adjustable under the arm, fits really well, no complaints there. It does cover the bra if I wanted to wear it by itself. If I'm in my office and no one else is around and I want to take off my cardigan or my jacket, I would feel comfortable doing so. So I'm going to take this out really quick. It is a little long, and I will say that it is thick. So the front feels like that it might be like 2 layers. Yes, the front is lined, the back is not. So it is a very good, sturdy piece, if you will. It's not thin or cheaply made by any means. So you can see how long it is there. I feel like the length is good too. I'm not sure that I would wear it out very much, but if I did, you know, it definitely covers anything that I want it to cover. All right, so let's talk about the skirt. So you guys know how I feel about skirts. I am always on the fence with skirts because I just don't know how much I would pull for them. This one, I feel like the fit is good. It is more of a pencil skirt, but it's not too fitted. It is comfortable to move in. I like the collar. It is very neutral for this time of year. It is a zipper closure and a slide. I don't know what those are called. Closure here at the waist. It does have pockets. So I do like the outfit. I'm just not 100% sure. I keep trying skirts, but I just don't know. I think it looks good. I'm just not sure how often I would pull for it. So I'm gonna think about it and look back at the footage to see, but let me know what you guys think. I do feel like though this is going to be one of those pieces that I would only pull to wear with a certain outfit. Like I probably wouldn't mix and match it, even though you could. I don't know. It's like I'll get set in my ways with an outfit and then I have a hard time moving forward or changing it up at all. I don't know. Are you guys like that too? I need to start taking pictures of items that I think would look good together but never wear together. All right, moving on. Let's try the next outfit. All right, so here we are with outfit number 2. What do you think? So let's talk about the Moto jacket. So the fit is great. I do like the Moto style. I like that it doesn't have a belt. I think a belt would kind of bother me. I think it would clang around too much. So I like that it doesn't have a belt. It does zip without any problem. So if I needed to zip it up there, I can do that without any problems. It does have zipper pockets here. They're not real large, but there are zipper pockets there. I'll get a little closer so you can see the details. So I do like this. I think it would just be a matter of getting out the lint brush. So there you can see details on the sleeve, zipper detail here. What do you think? All right, let's talk about the top. All right, so I apologize if you can see my black bra. I didn't go up and change bras to put on a nude one. But this piece is very, very pretty. I do like it. It's very comfortable. I like the sleeve length, cute little flutter sleeve. I like the tie here at the neck. I think the color and the print is very pretty. It is very thin. It's a very thin material. I do have a front tuck here. That's what it looks like out. Again, it's plenty long enough to tuck all the way around if you wanted to do that. I feel like it looks pretty with the black. I do like this color. I don't have anything in my closet like this. So let me get a little bit closer. Look how pretty that color is. It's kind of like a dark pinkish purple color with just white floral print. And like I said, it does have this little keyhole right here with a tie. I feel like it's very feminine, very cute. I kind of like the Moto jacket with it because the Moto jacket gives it a little bit of edge with the femininity of the flowers and the flutter sleeve. I kind of like that look. I think it's cute. And I think if you wore these pants with a pair of booties or even a pair of like Doc Martens or something like that, again, that's putting some edge to it. I don't know that I would wear Doc Martens. More of like a Chelsea type of boot. Let's go with that. I kind of like this too. All right, so let's talk about the pants. The pants are also a very good fit. They're not, like I said, they're not stiff like a denim. They are very comfortable. There's no sagging or anything. I feel like the fit is very good. They are a skinny style of pant with no distressing. They are a deep dark black. Again, it may be something that needs a lint brush, but I think that's just going to happen with anything black. The length is good. I feel like the fit is good. I don't know, guys. This might be a 5 for 5. Do I love the skirt though? So sometimes you have to do the Stitch Fix math. And you might almost like get the skirt for free, even though you wouldn't wear it very much because of the 25% off discount. So we might have to do that. All right, so let me know what you guys think of all of these pieces. I'm going to do a quick wrap up. I'll be right back. All right, so let's see what we have here. So I know you guys have seen the prices. I have not. I have also not seen the footage. So I'm going to go back and look at the footage before I make any final decisions. And I also like to get your all's feedback before I make any final decisions. So I really, really liked this top. This is by Fun to Fun. It is in color purple and it is $44. So I think that's very cute. But let me know if it looked too big on me. Again, I'm going to look back at the footage. It may have, I liked it. I liked the sleeves. I liked the little keyhole here. The only concern I have is that it might be a little bit too big. Let's talk about the skirt. I did like this as well, but I'm not sure that I loved it. This was $68. Then we have the brown or the black cami, which I really did like. This is probably going to stay with me. This one is $38. I feel like it's very reasonably priced. It does have the cute lace detail. It is adjustable and it is lined. So I feel like that's a good quality piece that I'll get a lot of use out of for that price. Then we have the Moto jacket. Again, I liked this as well. This is $98. Not sure if I liked it that much, but I mean, probably not going to get a Moto jacket much cheaper than that. I know the green one that I tried on a couple weeks ago, and I'll link that one up above at some point during this video. If you have not seen it, I want to say it was like $78. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence with that. All right, and then we have the black pants, which I also liked, and they are $48. So, not a bad priced box, I will say. So the whole box was $296. The buy all discount is 25%. That's like I was saying, if you do the Stitch Fix math, sometimes you'll get a piece for free. So I was talking about the skirt might not be my favorite, and it was $68. So with the discount, I would save $74. So essentially I would be getting this piece for free if I were to keep all 5 items, if I were only really considering 4. Which really, that's kind of what I would be considering. The skirt is not my favorite, but if I'm going to get it for free, then I'm going to go ahead and take the 5 for 5. So that gives the order subtotal to $222. Of course, shipping is free. And then there's additional tax that may apply depending on where you're at. So let me know what you guys think about these pieces. I feel like this was a pretty good fix. I mean, it's a potential 5 for 5. Doesn't get much better than that, right? So let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. I am going to have an Amazon personal shopper coming up soon, and hopefully a haul and some book reviews. So I hope you guys will stick around. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, if you enjoy this type of content, I hope that you will stick around. I enjoy having you guys here. I appreciate your support. Hit the like button. All of that does help support my channel. So I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out.